popular demand on this channel. A lot of people are saying, goodness, what's happening? We still want to buy cheap land, affordable land in Ekpe under the range of 2 million, 3 million, below 5 million naira, and that is from a reputable farm that is also free from all forms of encumbrances, even though they might not be titled yet. So yay, now I have listened and taken out my time to bring you this particular offer that I'm introducing to you in this video today. And guess what? This offer is on pre-launch. Now this one is very, very sweet, and I believe that at the end of this video you will be grabbing it with your 2N. So yay, watch this video to the very end so that you can get all of the details of this offer and what and key into it right away. So yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, goodness Usman here, your farm lady router for Niger Realty 24/7, and of course the queen of landlord makers. Yes, due to popular demand, I behold introduced to you on pre-launch offer Excel Garden Igbonla, ladies and gentlemen. Yay! Now, one thing that excites me about this particular offer is the fact that already before it's launched into the market, they have started a gate house. I mean, take a look, guys. Not just that, they are building the gatehouse. The perimeter fencing is ongoing, and then they're trying to do the beautification of the front of the gatehouse. It makes sense. I love this. This is the new trend. This is what we want. More and more and more. I mean, we're going to get to a point where all plots have been allocated before they introduce it into the market. But before now, let's enjoy this particular offer. Yes, I told you guys, I'm introducing this particular estate, Excel Garden Phase 2, to you guys on pre-launch offer, meaning that the actual price is not what you're going to get now. So you're going to be among the first set of investors that get to invest in this particular estate. Now, the location is Igbonla. I have brought to you guys on this channel before now the phase 1, which is in the other part in Igbonla as well, but the other part of Igbonla, not this particular place where I am currently standing. Now, I've said it over and over that when it comes to locations in Ekpe, Igbonla happens to be one of the parts of Ekpe that is a bit big. Okay, so you have a lot of investment right here, and I think it's a good investment location. Now, let's talk about the prominent places, the popular landmarks that are close to this particular location in Ekpe. Of course, it is no any other than the St. Augustine University. Aside the St. Augustine University, ladies and gentlemen, we have a prominent Lagos State Secondary School just a walkable distance from where I am right now. Yay! So, speaking about the offer now, before I talk about the offer, let's further talk about Ekpe. I mean, a lot of things have been said about Ekpe, how it is a destination for investors, how the infrastructure is coming in. It's going to further affect the lifestyle that people live in Ekpe. And of course, that is going to definitely give you a return on your investment. See, trust me, anywhere in Ekpe that you invest in, what is important about your investment is that the land you are buying is free from all forms and shades of encumbrances. That's the most important thing, because I believe that anywhere you're buying your property in Ekpe, trust me, they are going to give you definitely high return on your investment. However, Speaking about Igbonla, Igbonla happens to be a place that enhances education. I think we have a lot of that in Ekpe as well. We have quite a lot of schools in Ekpe, not just the St. Augustine University. We have the Yaba Tech, we have the Laspo Tech, and so many other schools, including secondary schools, and of course good nursery and primary schools situated in strategic places in Ekpe. Now, if we go on and on, there's so many beautiful things to talk about Ekpe, but the one I'm going to talk about today, which of course I know a lot of you already know some of these things, is the fact that whether you and I like it or not, it's a great destination for investment, and you as an investor should position yourself right to work to get your investment working for you, meaning you're putting your money to work for you. Now, it is no news that, of course, this is a long-term investment. I mean, give it half a decade, give it a decade to come. It might not be exactly up to that, but trust me when I tell you that at the end of the day, it's not going to be a minus, but it's going to be a plus. So, let's go right away into the offer that we have for you on pre-loan. So there are two types of plot for sale. The 500 square meters selling for 2 million naira only, and of course the 300 square meter for 1.2 million naira. Initial deposit, ladies and gentlemen, for 500 square meter is 700,000 naira only. We have outright and payment plan. Now, for the payment plan is considered 6 months only. I mean, check out the place. This is a very good topology. You know, investing in Ekpe, we have some places that have this uphill and hill in between the same estate. But for this particular one, is a flat land, which makes it pretty much attractive and what an amazing. So yes, your 2 million naira can be spread between 1 month and 2 month maximum for outright, but if you want to go on 6 month payment plan, that also is available, and the details is scrolling on your screen. Now, like I said, this is on pre-launch. They are doing the work. You can see behind me, and as soon as they get to a level they want the work to be, they're going to introduce it officially into the market. So count yourself lucky for you to get to know about this now, and you need to seize the opportunity right now. Buy at 2 million naira per plot. Now, these prices are not all inclusive. The developmental fee, this survey and deed of assignment is not included in the 2 million naira per plot. Now, the details for the developmental field, the other fields are scrolling right now on your what? On your screen. Now, this is also a buy and get instant allocation. What do I mean by that? If you finish paying all of your payment, including your developmental fee, you get your allocation instantly. And when it comes to the reputation of this company, trust me, they're one of the companies that are moving at their own speed, and they're doing a good work at it. What is important for me right now, going forward way more than before, is delivery. Delivery is key for me. They have delivered their phase 1, and here we are with the phase 2. So, for those of you who have been asking for affordable property that has guarantee when it comes to you investing and not losing your money, now that I've shown you this, I've introduced this to you, and it's good that it's still on pre-launch. How about you can grab this offer now that is still selling on pre-launch? Like I said earlier, don't let it pass you by. Okay, I have given you what you want. You now do me a favor by doing what? By buying into this right now. The pre-launch offer ends at the month of May. At the end of the month of May, hopefully I can extend it, but hey, I say that you grab your offer before the end of May, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget, this is 2 million naira per plot, and the name of the estate is Excel Garden Phase 2, located in Igbonla. Of course, the title is Freehold. It doesn't have a title, registered title yet, but the situation of the land is that it is freehold and it's free from all forms and shades of experiences. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will be delighted to help you own your plots of land right here. You should become a proud landowner of this particular estate today. How about you stop watching this video now and give me a call? But until then, I say you remain safe and awesome, just the way you are. My name remains Goodness Usman, your fab lady realtor for Niger Realty 24/7, and of course the queen of landlord makers. So I said to you, oh.